Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Knowledge Academy of Mathematics. Today I am going to start a new lecture series on the topic of group theory. Our first topic is that how to construct a loop of 3 elements or 4 elements, and how do we check is it group or not. Okay, our first topic consists of two parts. In first part we will learn the construction of loop of 3 or 4 element, and in second part we will do how do we check is it group or not. Consider construction a loop of 3 element and check is it group or not. Let G is equal to A, B and C be a non-empty set and steric be a binary operation. Then how do we perform is it loop or not? Remember that we construct a Cayley table. What is Cayley table? Cayley table representation of element of group in the form of table is called Cayley table. First we write element of group in the row wise and second in column wise. First row wise A, B and C, and column wise A, B and C, and steric be a binary operation. Firstly I paste this row in this space A, B and C, and this column in this space A, B and C. The common part of this row and this column is called a identity. Mean this common part A, here A is the identity. Okay. Similarly I fill this space. If I put this if I fill this entry, B is also here. There is two possibilities. Okay, there is two possibility. Either I can put A is here, either I can put C is here. If C is here, A is here and C is here, so there will be a repetition in the third column. In Cayley table there would be no repetition, so this possibility failed. So I put C is here and A is here. Okay. Similarly, in the third row, here I can put these elements in such a way that there is no repetition between the rows and between the column. So C is also here. The remaining part are A or B. Okay. If I put A is here and B is here, so in this way I construct a Cayley table. Okay, you can see that there is no repetition between the rows and between the column. Okay, this is a loop. Second, how do we check is it group or not? Firstly, you can see that all the element in this table belong to the non-empty set. Okay, all these elements mean A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A and B belong to the non-empty set G. So you say that this loop consists of Collier property. Okay, and second, associative property. It's a long process to check associative property between the element of group. In generally all the non-empty set consists of associative property. Okay. And the third property, existence of identity. You know that in this case A is the identity. Okay, and the last property of the group is existence of inverse. How do we check all the element having inverse in this group? If A star A give us A is identity, mean that A inverse is equal to A. If B star C is equal to A is identity, mean that B inverse is equal to C. Similarly, C star B is equal to A, mean that C inverse is equal to B. Okay, mean that here A is identity, and this Cayley table is a group. Okay. Similarly, if B is identity, how do we make B is identity? I paste second row and second column. The common part of this row and this column is called identity. Here B is identity. I fill this space. Okay, I fill this space and this space. Okay, when I fill in this space, the consisting part is A, the remaining part are B or C. I can put B or C in such a way that there is no repetition between rows and between column. Okay, if I put B is here and C is here, okay, B is here and C is here, you can see that there is a repetition. C is here and C is here, so this possibility is failed. I can put, so I put C is here and B is here. Okay, you can see that there is no repetition between the row, between this row and between this column, or this row or this column. Okay, similarly I fill this entries. This entry C is also here, so remaining part are B and A. If I put A is here, so this is also A and also A, so there is a repetition. So I can put B is here and A is here. In this way I can construct a Cayley table. Okay, there is no repetition. And check, is it group or not? First, all the element in this table belong to the non-empty set. This means that Closure property hold in this group. Okay, and the second is that associative in journal hold, and the third identity is also present here. Okay, exist here. And third, inverse. How do we find inverse? A star B give us identity. Okay, mean that A inverse is equal to C. B star B is equal to B, mean that B inverse is equal to B. Similarly, C star A is equal to B, means C inverse is equal to B. Okay, similarly you can do, if C is identity, okay, C is identity, you can also prove this. This is a group. Okay, and last topic, construction a loop of 4 element and check is it group or not. Let S is equal to E, A, B and C be a non-empty set of 4 element and static be a binary operation. Similar method to construction of 3 elements. Okay, I put C, first row is here and first column is here, so the common part is E, so E is a identity. Okay, I fill this row, I fill this this space. This space in such a way that there is no repetition between the rows and between the column. If I put if I fill this entry, A is also here, so the remaining part are E, A, B, E, B and C. Sorry. Okay, the remaining part are E, B and C. If I put E is here, okay, if I put E is here and C is here and B is here, okay, you see that no repetition. Okay, B, this row consists of B, the remaining part are E, A and C. E, A and C. If I put C is here and E is here and A is here, you can see that there is no repetition. In this row C is also present, the remaining part are E, A and B. Okay, if I put E is here, so there is a repetition because E is also present in this column. Okay, if I put B is here, B is not present in this column, so I can put B is here. Okay, in this column, if I put E is here, so the E is also present in this column. If I put A is here, A is A is nothing. Okay, so I put A is here. Okay, similarly the remaining part are E is here. In this way, this is a Cayley table. If I check is it group or not, firstly check is it hold closure property or not. You can see that all the element in this table belong to non-empty set. Okay, it's mean that closure property hold, and the second associative also hold. Third, there is a identity in this tables, and the fourth, all the element having inverse. The E star E is equal to E, mean E inverse is equal to E. Okay, A star A is equal to E, mean that A inverse is equal to A. B star B is equal to E, mean B inverse is equal to B. C star C is equal to E, mean C inverse is equal to C. So in this table, according to this table, all the element having inverse, all the element are self inverses. Okay, and this is exercise. Okay, try to solve this question. If you feel any assistance, contact me via email. Okay, Allah Hafiz.